Activating your SafeLink phone involves setting up either a physical SIM card or an eSIM. For a physical SIM, insert it into the phone's SIM slot and follow the on-screen prompts to activate via the SafeLink app or website. Scan the SIM's barcode for automatic configuration. For eSIM, download the SafeLink app, select Activate eSIM, and scan the QR code sent to you. This installs the eSIM profile wirelessly. Ensure your device is compatible, such as iPhone 14 Plus or Android 10 Plus. APN settings are crucial for mobile data connectivity on Verizon-based SafeLink phones. First, navigate to the APN settings by going to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, and finally APN. Add a new APN with these specific settings. Name SafeLink, AP Internet, MMSC.vtex.com, MMS Proxy, proxy.trackphone.com, MMS Port 80, and MCC/MNC3310/410. Save the new APN settings and restart your phone to apply the changes. To verify your setup, make a test call to SafeLink support at 1-800-378-1684 to check voice and signal quality. Also, check if mobile data is working by opening a web browser and loading a web page.